All right, taking a look at the Valley Skycam, it certainly looks a little bit hazy. Streets are wet. We had a shower move through, but nothing severe, nothing volatile as we've headed through the early overnight hours. We're holding on to 70 degrees this hour. Winds still a little gusty from the southeast with 70 in Moorhead as well. Elsewhere, we have 68s in Valley City and Gwinnett. Langdon also at that same reading. Thief River Falls right now 71 degrees. Today's heat with high temperatures hitting the 80s was along the northern tier of counties. Clouds built in pretty early in the day, limiting us to the upper 70s here. A lot of thunder and lightning developing now late tonight, focused in the central Dakotas. This is actually moving off to the east and northeast as we show you the aerial coverage of the severe thunderstorm watch you've been seeing crawl across the bottom of your screen until 1 o'clock in the morning. But these storms here moving in towards Sisseton are moving to the north and the east, and this activity out of Bismarck is moving more due east. Notice most of this activity is south of Interstate 94 at present. So as we go through the next 2, maybe 3 hours, that'll bring our best chance for severe weather. As far as severe risks go, hail will be one of those primary concerns. Where you see these bright blue colors here, radar here picking up that we do have some hail sizable up there, approaching about 1 inch in diameter. So again, that'll be one of the threats. The other threat will be some very heavy rain locally. We could see some gusty winds. Looking at the hail size, there's some showers out here across parts of western Minnesota. No hail being picked up from these at this time. So your Norman County rumblers right now moving off to the north and the east. Just some lightning and good old-fashioned moderate to heavy rain. Here, by the way, is the shower that passed through the FM area within the last hour. Now, as we take a look at what's going on with Hurricane Lane, here is the center of the circulation, a Category 3 hurricane. Latest measurements now, 150-mile-per-hour wind gusts with a north-northwest movement at just 6 miles per hour. Still expected to highly impact much of Hawaii. For us, thunder and lightning in the overnight hours is going to be a thing. Now, as we set this into motion, between now and around 1 in the morning, look at this stuff real slowly moving toward the valley. And where we need the rain the most in the northern valley, not very much taking place there. Now, as we go through 2 in the morning, still wrapping through. But as far as severe risk goes, the energy from this system really starts to wrap up once we get past, say, the 3 or 4 o'clock hour, and in fact dries up a little bit. We'll have spotty showers to start your Friday and temperatures in the 60s. Now, as we go through the midday hour, this system just kind of sits here and spins. So if you're heading out to Potato Days to visit with all the good people down there in Barnesville, well, bring your umbrella. You may have passing showers. It does not look like it will rain all day, but you can bet, Barnesville, for Potato Days, Hutch will keep his eye on the weather. Or eyes. All right, taking a look at the evening forecast, best chance of rain will be well to the east, starting to clear out to the west. It'll be a cool day on Friday with temperatures for most of us in the 70s. As far as the overnight rain potential, many areas picking up a few tenths of an inch, but under the gully washers of those storms, 1 to 2 inches not out of the question. Temperatures for your day tomorrow in Fargo will be in the mid-60s with some morning spotty showers and storms, and then mostly cloudy skies throughout the day as we inch up into the upper 70s. Once again, will be warmest in the northern valley where it is going to continue to be dry. These birds here in Barnesville waiting for Potato Days to get started. This one here red with envy. Thanks a lot, Patty, for uploading your photo. Here's a look at your planning forecast. Now, as we go through Friday, we talked about gray skies and cool weather, 78. A little warmer on Saturday, but Saturday afternoon and evening, a risk for severe weather, and the atmosphere looks to have a little spin in it. So we'll keep you advised as to that. Sunday, 80 and spotty storms, and just unsettled into next week as, again, back to school, back to work, and temperatures that are still a little summer-like, 70s and 80s.
Storm team might be busy.
Indeed.
All right, thanks.